One of the biggest enemies of menopause is stress, and I know firsthand what that is like. When I was working, I was in a really stressful job. I was working nights and I was completely sleep deprived. I was so stressed and my symptoms were through the roof. I had terrible brain fog, overwhelm. I couldn't concentrate, I was dizzy, and it made me even more stressed feeling like that. So on my days off and in my downtime, I would always do yoga because I thought, well, this is going to balance it all out. But the trouble was I was doing these really intense vinyasa flow classes because, I also wanted a workout. What this did was raise the cortisol levels in my body or just keep them high from when I was at work. And it made actually everything worse. It didn't counterbalance it. It just kept me stressed. So what I've realized now, I live in this wonderful place that's full of nature and so stress-free. I have zero symptoms, and I truly believe it was all caused by my own choices in life, my own behavior, the stressful job and the workouts that I was doing. What I should have been doing was low intensity, keeping those cortisol levels down. Apparently, if you work out for more than 40 minutes at a reasonable rate, then you are going to spike cortisol in your body. So I should have been doing low impact workouts. I should have been doing pretty chill yoga, none of these 100 vinyasas in a class, and I think it really would have made a difference to my symptoms. So what I recommend, if you're experiencing symptoms, really look at the levels of stress in your life, whether they be at work, your journey to work, your family, who you associate with. Do they bring stress into your life? And also look at the type of exercise you do. Are you doing really intense workouts? Because if you are, then you are probably spiking cortisol in your body and making it even worse. And of course, one of the symptoms of menopause is that we gain weight, and it's particularly around the middle. And a lot of this is due to cortisol going straight to our belly and causing us to hold on to weight there. So sometimes when we think if we do a workout that's high intensity, we're going to burn loads of calories and it's going to help us lose weight, it actually is counterproductive. So my advice is look at those levels of stress in your life, work, family, friends, and exercise, and see where you can make changes to reduce it.